Hey guys, I have a Arduino Nano and a little buzzer that I'm gonna wire up. I already put the code on the Arduino Uno to make it buzz. Every second it will buzz. So I'm gonna put this one in ground and connect it to here, and this one here, and connect it here. Now then I'm gonna plug in my wire and see what it does. I'm gonna turn it this way real quick and put it in the thing. Wait a second, guys. There it is. It is buzzing. Every second it will buzz. Now I can make it do it every 5 seconds. It buzzes. Every 30 seconds it buzzes. And so on. So I think that's pretty cool that you can use a buzzer like that. And I'm about to unplug it. I think I could make it so if I press a button. Let's try that. See if I have a button. See if I can wire this right. I don't know how to wire it, but we'll try and wire it. And I think we'll need another wire if this will actually work. Here's a huge black wire I just found. Bing. I shouldn't have got a huge black wire. Let's see if it buzzes. Only if I press the button it will buzz. Every second. But if I lift it up it'll stop buzzing, because it isn't being closed. So yeah. Let's unplug that and plug it back in the right way. But yeah, you can add a button to it to make it not turn on until you press a button. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Hey guys, I just found a cooler way to do it. There's a button here, and I made it so the wire isn't there to make it. Then I made it do this. If you hold the button, then it's gonna, make a really, really loud noise. That is just crazy, though. Let's rewire this a little bit, make it look a little bit nicer. Have the button a little bit more over here, so this has a little bit more room. And put that there. Put this here. You know what? That's a good spot for it. That's a good spot for it. Okay, now we're going to take this part out and then move it right here. Okay, now this looks way better. This is just cool.